And before we go in, I'll just give you a streetscape here of Maxwell Village so you can kind of see the outside, what they look like with the walkway, pavers, blacktop driveway, landscaping, and full maintenance package. They take care of the snow and the grass for you at $147 per month, a tremendous value. So yeah, let's go inside. Okay, here we are at the front door, walking into the Osbourne floor plan here at Maxwell Village. Again, the largest floor plan. This one has master bedroom on the first floor, as you can see. Beautiful dining area, fireplace. I'll spin you around. Stairs to the second floor, entry, coat closet. A fair amount of upgrades here in the model home. Keystone Homes, the builders here at Maxwell Village. Give you a peek at the half bath, and then of course the laundry room, mudroom area. Give you a peek at the two-car garage. Again, always a two-car garage here at Maxwell Village. Back around to this super modern open first floor. 9-foot ceilings, maple cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, granite or quartz countertop, all standard features here at Maxwell Village. The hardwood floors into the family room. Again, this one has the upgraded gas fireplace. Gas fireplace is included. This one's just extra special. And I'll spin you up. You can see the coffered ceiling. That's a 10-foot coffered ceiling. Back out here to the patio, private wooded area. And again, only two ever connected here at Maxwell Village, so there's no middle unit. As you can see, this is extremely bright on an extra dark and gloomy day here in the spring in Albany, New York. All right, give you a peek at that hallway. Master bedroom on the first floor, and all the designs here in Maxwell Village. This one being the Osbourne, very large master. And then the master suite here with the double sink. Spin you around here, get you a peek at the tile shower, molded seat, just absolutely spectacular. And then we have the master closet, upgraded with the California system. And let's check out the second floor. Okay, so we're going to go upstairs now in the Osbourne floor plan here at Maxwell Village. Again, 22 to 2,600 square feet. Very large. This is the largest floor plan we offer here at Maxwell Village. So you got your master suite on the first floor, then you come upstairs and you've got this really nice loft area, another bedroom, lots of windows. And that bedroom has a walk-in closet. Oops. Pay for the touch-up there. Again, back out to the loft area. Another full, very large bathroom on the second floor. Tile upgrade there. And then to the hallway. And the third full bedroom with walk-in closet. So all the bedrooms have walk-in closets in this floor plan, and the Osbourne also comes potentially with this huge storage room, which could be another closet, or with modification, a fourth bathroom. So that's the Osbourne floor plan at Maxwell Village. Come down when we can and see it in person.